Hello guys, in today's topic we will talk about C++ and we will learn what is increment and decrement in C++. So today our objective will be about what is increment and what is decrement and how it will be performed in C++. So let's just start. It is very easy. You know what is increment. Increment is an increase of one number or addition of one number. So basic syntax of increment is any variable name you can put in it and double plus and semicolon, or there's another way also, or any variable name and plus or equal to variable name plus 1. It also means addition of 1 in that specific variable or value which it have. So for decrement the same thing, it will be a little bit change in sign. You will write the same variable name if you want to and then declare minus after it and terminate it. Or you can write variable name equal to variable name minus 1. Any variable name you can take and then minus 1. So these are two basic syntax of increment and decrement in C++. So let's just write a program to get more clear what it is and how we perform it in C++. First we will write header file and using namespace std. And then after that in main and then braces, and then I will declare a variable. For example, I take a variable name var and terminate it, and then I take a variable and then I will initialize it. For example, I set it equal to 10. I initialize it, variable have a value 10, and then I want to increment it. So what I will do simply, as I tell you in syntax, I will just write the variable name which is here var and then plus and then terminate it. And after that, as you know, after incrementing it, its value will be 10 plus 1 will be equal to 11. It should display 11. So let me just write it a little more, a bit clear code to get you the output and so you can understand better. After increment, value will be 11. What will be displayed? Let's see what should be. I definitely guarantee you it should be 11. And now after that, simply I will decrement it. So the value of var is now 11. Now when I decrement it, 11 minus 1 now will be equal to 10. As you know, 11 minus 1, I am decrementing it, it will be equal to 10. So first the value was 11, after decrementing it, its value will be 10. So now see out it. I'll write it a little more bit clear. After decrementing the same value which was 11, after incrementing it and now decrementing it, it should display 10. So the output should we have, let's see, it is compiling now. So let's just see the output. Yeah, as you can see that it is displaying after increment decrement the value which. Thank you for watching it. Hope you learned something new. Take care. Bye bye.